Hey, what's up everybody? This is Alex from CVC, where we make premium van seats. I want to give you a quick look at one of our seating systems. This is our universal floor plate system. This right here is our universal floor plate. We make these in singles, doubles, and triples. They mount straight to your van floor, metal to metal. A lot of builders install these floor plates before the floor goes down. But if your floor is already down, no problem. Just go ahead and cut out the area where the floor plate goes in, and you're good to go. The beauty of this universal floor plate system is that it's modular. As you can see here, we have 5 individual floor plates installed. We're not planning on using them all right now, but we're future-proofing. And that gives us the flexibility we need down the road. And that's our universal floor plate system. From here, you pick your seats.
We have 3 seat sizes available: 18, 20, and 22-inch wide. We have a few styles to choose from. For bases, we have a fixed pedestal option or a sliding swivel option. Both of these base options allow you to remove each seat individually. All meet DOT and FMVSS safety standards and are built in the USA.
Have any questions about your van build? Just give us a call. We're always here to help.